Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the iEnvy glueless lashes, and I'm going to be comparing them to the Kiss and Press lashes that I did on my channel recently. If you're interested to see this review, then just keep on watching. Today, I am actually getting ready to go to my cousin's wedding, and I'm going to be trying out these no glue needed one-step press-on lashes. These are from iEnvy. I recently reviewed the ones from Kiss, and I'll have that video linked down below so you'll know like my rating on those. But I wanted to try these in comparison because these are a little cheaper. I think these were $8 or something, and I found these at my beauty supply store, so I wanted to see in comparison which one is better, like, because sometimes you can luck out and the cheaper one can be better. I got the everyday classic ones. They had like the ones that were like event, were like more dramatic, but I wanted to go more simple. This comes with short, medium, and medium. So I'm gonna use the same applicator that I got from the Kiss imPRESS lashes. With these, going to start with medium on the outside and then short on the inside. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one off of here. Okay. First one, super easy. Oh my goodness. So far that took significantly less time than the Kiss ones because all of these had adequate amount of glue. The other ones, like the Kiss, some would have enough glue but others wouldn't. So now I'm going to take this and kind of squish it at the root so that way they stay in place. Now I'm going to work on the other eye. Alright, I'm all finished applying the lashes. These were significantly easier than the Kiss imPRESS lashes. I don't know if the imPRESS lashes I ordered off Amazon were old and the glue had just, you know, lost its stickiness, but these were fresh and top tier and they are beautiful. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? And this was for $8. I don't necessarily have enough for another install unless I do one less lash on each one, but I don't even care. I'm just gonna test them out for you guys, see how long they last throughout the night. Hey everyone, I am back home and my lashes are still on and intact. These are like the best lashes for any event that you have going on. They're just so pretty and so low maintenance, and I can barely even tell that they're on. Yeah, these were amazing. I will definitely be repurchasing these over the Kiss imPRESS lashes. I feel like they were better quality, same amount of glue on each one, so easy to apply. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.